Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian chow mein noodle or stir-fry noodles. This meal can be made in 20 minutes and then it will be ready for lunch or dinner. The vegetables I used today are white and green vegetables. There are baby bok choy, white mushroom, and soybean sprouts. I also have garlic, ginger, and this is a package of egg noodles that I purchased from an Asian grocery store. And this is my homemade stir-fry sauce. And if you don't know how to make your own stir-fry sauce, you can just buy some from an Asian market or any grocery store. They have it, I see that. Okay, so once you have everything ready, we are going to cook your egg noodles. You can just follow the instruction from the package and follow it just like that, but if you don't want to read it, just follow my method. I boil water, and once the water is boiling, I bath the egg noodles for 10 seconds just like this. And then you are going to rinse and drain the egg noodles. And set aside. Next, in a large skillet or a large pot, saute your garlic and ginger in cooking oil. I use avocado oil. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, or any type of oils that you have until translucent. And then add all of your vegetables in the pot and give it a quick stir. Introduce the cooked noodles and stir well one more time. Add in stir-fry sauce, adjusting its flavor with additional seasonings if needed. Because I made a huge pot today, so I felt like I needed to add more seasoning to it. So I put a little bit of mushroom powder and mushroom soy sauce or mushroom sauce into it. If you don't have this mushroom soy sauce, you can use a regular soy sauce. And if you would like to have meat, you can just cook meat separately and then pour in the meat later on too. But because I'm making it vegetarian, so I don't add any meat into it. And also because the extra seasoning that I added into that, I was afraid that it's gonna be a little more salty, so I add more water into it. And once you're done, you just give it a quick stir, taste it, and see if you like it or not. If it's too salty, add more water, but if it's too bland, add more seasoning. But if you like the way it is, that's fine. And the last thing that you're going to introduce into the pot or the skillet is your soybean sprouts. If you don't have soybean sprout, you can use regular bean sprout. And if you have green onions, you can put that into that too. And then you just give it a final stir. Okay, turn off the heat. And there you go, your homemade chow mein is ready in under 20 minutes. Enjoy your meal.